Take a look at Broadcom stock. Go, baby. Let's go. It's up 14% after the bell, after the company reported earnings. And guys, you guessed it, they crushed it. So let's break them down. Listen up and follow along for more. So adjusted earnings per share came in at $1.42 versus the $1.38 expected, and revenue came in at $14.05 billion, missing the $14.09 billion expected, but they're expecting first quarter revenue of $14.6 billion, which is ahead of the $14.57 billion expected. And guys, what do stocks like? Strong guidance. And Broadcom Semiconductor Solutions Group, which includes the company's AI chips, that revenue increased 12% to $8.23 billion. And take a look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. They're obviously seeing soaring demand from the boom in generative AI infrastructure. For the year, the company said AI revenue jumped 220% to $12.2 billion. So yeah, guys, very good growth from Broadcom. Do you own this stock? I don't personally, but let me know and follow along for more.